Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a video about how I replace the rear rotors and brake pads on this E-Class. What you need to do before you start, you need to retract the cylinders, the brake cylinders. Usually you need a tool to do that, but for this car you don't need any tools. You just need to access a hidden menu and you will have an option there to retract the brake cylinders. First, don't push your foot on the brake. Press the start engine button once. After that you need to press the home button and OK button, and you need to do this fast. I hope I can do this with one hand. Start button, home button, OK button. It worked. You will have this menu, vehicle data, and you need to scroll down to brake pad replacement. Move to fitting position with OK. Press OK. Let's go and change the brake pads and rotors. After you finish changing your brake pads or rotors, you just need to press OK, exit to fitting position, confirm with OK, and you are done. This hidden menu workshop, it will disappear automatically after you start and turn off the car once. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and see you next time. Bye bye.